And like I said, they are sharp, running chainsaws. I'll show you one more time here. Those are real, folks. Ah!
Chad Taylor.
How many people think I should have gone to college?
Mad Chad Taylor. The guy famous for juggling buzzing chainsaws.
Give me one. Give me one.
How does he do it without losing life? Or, best case, limb?
How many people think I should have gone to high school?
This Guinness record holder regularly performs his crazy comedy and chainsaw juggling show at colleges, corporate events, performing arts centers, and sporting events around the country, as well as television shows around the world.
Here we go. 3 balls. That's right. Get her early and get a front row seat. Yes, indeed. Okay, here. The neck catch. Oh. Yeah, did I fool anybody? That's right. These are 100,000 volt stun guns. I attached some handles. I'm going to attempt to juggle. There's only one trick I can do with 4 bats, and you're looking at it. There's 2 I've been working on. The first one is called Over the Back. Yeah, you should see it from here. The second trick is called Over the Back. Inches, good. That's good. Now try to hold still. Just don't move, guys. I'm a trained professional. Okay, good. Look at Zach. Look toward the audience there. Yeah, no pictures right now, if you don't mind. Zach, it's going to be me and you on Facebook tomorrow. Okay.
Chad Taylor, ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go. 3 100,000 volt stun guns. There we go. Thank you. Here we go. 1, 2.
Here he is, Mad Chad.
Chad Taylor. Mad Chad.
Here's Chad